Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Akhondra 2 Postborn. Makers of Nandamuri Balakrishna shared to release on official statement. The Nandamuri Balakrishna's mass action drama Akhondra 2 has been indefinitely pushed ahead. Details inside. Written by Mohit Dixit, journalist, updated on 5th December 2025. Nandamuri Balakrishna's much-awaited movie Aknara is no longer releasing on 5th December 2025. The movie is officially postponed from its due release date just hours before its premiere. An official confirmation on the same has been made while announcing the delay in release. 14 Reels Plus tweeted, "The heavy heart, we regret to inform you that hashtag Aknara2 will not be releasing as scheduled due to unavoidable circumstances. This is a painful moment for us and we truly understand the disappointment it brings to every fan and movie lover awaiting the film. We are working tirelessly to resolve the matter at the earliest. Our sincere apologies for the inconveniences caused. Your support means the world to us. We promise to share a positive update very soon. Meanwhile, a few reports state that makers have resolved the issues and a few shows are likely to open by evening. However, an official word regarding the same is awaited by the makers of the film. Reports say that the mass action drama got pushed ahead due to financial conflicts between the stakeholders. Some of the top names from the Telugu film industry tried to resolve the issue throughout the day, but the amount is said to be huge, due to which the matter between the production house and distributor remained unsolved. The makers have now decided to postpone the release further. Earlier speculations are rife that the makers will now target either 12 December or 19 December as the new release date. However, there is no clarity on when the movie can now be released. For the unversed, Aknara 2 is among the biggest local releases this year. The movie marked the return of Blaya in his popular Messi Avatar. The plot is expected to explore the core theme of good vs evil, with the veteran actor once again playing dual roles. Directed by Boyapati Sarino, the movie stars Samia Khuda, Adi Pisiti, Pragya Jaiswal, Harsh Harshali Malhotra, Kabir Dohan Singh, Saswata Chatterjee, and others. The movie was entirely expected to hold its premiere on for December 2025. However, due to technical difficulties, the makers had to cancel them. Stay tuned to Pink Villa for more updates. Also, read Surrender advanced booking, box office transitions, and struggles for momentum set highest of 2025 in national chains. I hope you enjoy this news. Please subscribe my channel GN Info. Have a nice time. Goodbye.